Ahoy, friends! We're Guy and Vicky and our boat dog Sailor 2. Welcome aboard as we cruise our boat onward.
Well, what a difference a day makes. Good morning, everybody. We are heading today from St. Mary's, Maryland to Solomons, Maryland. A trip maybe only about 4 or 5 hours, but today we're heading further north and it's just beautiful conditions out here. I think we've got about 3 more days of cruising on this Chesapeake Bay.
We're almost back in the Chesapeake after 2 hours of traveling from St. Mary's River to the Potomac and now to the Chesapeake.
It's days like this that make you forget all about the rough ones. It is so pleasant right now. There's just a cool breeze up here in the fly bridge. Just flat water behind us and in front of us. Very little boat traffic. There are a few big ships out here and there, but we're not right in the channel for the Chesapeake. And anyway, it's just a perfect day. We're having a great cruise on our way to Solomons, and I think it's going to be a wonderful stay there as well. This marks the boundary of the military training area that we just passed. You can see the target back there, and this yellow boundary buoy is showing us where the boundary is. There's another one on the other side of it as well.
Calvert Cliff State Park is located in Calvert County, Maryland, stretching about 24 miles along the western shore of the Chesapeake Bay.
Just follow along. Oh, we got plenty of time.
Pulling into Solomons Island Yacht Club Marina had us a bit spooked. They asked us to back into a slip that was shared with another boat. We asked if we could tie up to the T-dock, but they wanted us in the slip assigned. Sometimes you just have to tie up your boots and get the job done. Guy makes this look easy, but honestly, it's nerve-wracking squeezing a big boat into a little slip. But once you're in, the stress is gone and there's time to enjoy your new location. We're on Solomons Island, so let's go check it out.
So you're in a hurry? Well, you better calm down. We're all friends around you. Just join the fun.
You done eating our stuff? Are you done?
Playing Uno. No, what are we playing?
Skippo Junior.
Skippo Junior. And
We're stuck.
we have a downpour.
Yay. Now we can go back
I
to the
accidentally
boat.
played this wrong.
Where did this plastic? Oh.
Forget the rush you're in and find a good spot. Sit down and join us as we sing a good song. Keep back, relax, and just follow along.
Solomons Island, Maryland is a charming waterfront destination with a rich maritime history.
Throw another log onto the fire. Because it's a beautiful day. And come on, let's play.
Random boaters such as ourselves are not always welcomed into private yacht club marinas, but Solomons Island Yacht Club warmly welcomes members of the AGLCA. They are a happy and friendly group, and we were honored to be there. Without thinking about the amps, Guy pushed down the toaster while the electric kettle was on and we blew a circuit. Because there was no way to reset the breaker, Guy called Bill at Washburn's boatyard, who kindly came to Onward and fixed it in no time.
So come on, let's play.
Well, good morning. We're underway. We're going from Solomons Island to an anchorage called Mayo Point, which is about 40 miles or so up the Chesapeake, going up north. And it's a beautiful day. We've got great conditions. You can see there are some other boats out here. Vicky's at the helm. Other boats are out. Just a light breeze, and the winds are actually favorable to us. And we're not going to have a whole lot of big waves or anything like that, and we shouldn't. Supposed to get a little bit rougher this afternoon, but we should be tucked into our anchorage by then, and we'll be able to ride it out there. So it's a great day for a cruise, and we're just really enjoying it. The scenery here is just beautiful. We really like this part of the Chesapeake. It's our first time, and we're enjoying every bit of it.
They are just sitting there chatting away, enjoying their view. We've got some bluffs and the wide open bay and beautiful blue skies.
You just join the fun. 'Cause if you're in a hurry, you're missing the point.
Security is pretty tight at Cove Point Liquefied Natural Gas Terminal. Both the terminal and the Coast Guard provide security teams on small boats that patrol around to redirect people who might get too close. So we gave them a wide berth.
Is it all? So come on, let's play. Forget the rush, you're in and find a good spot. Sit down and join us as we sing a good song. Keep back, relax, and just follow along. Oh, we got plenty of time. Taking it easy won't cost you a dime. Throw another log onto the fire. Because it's a beautiful day. And come on, let's play.
Thanks for watching. Come back next week as we cruise our boat onward.